Hi friends, I am your Sanil Perumthottath. Welcome to a new video. This video is on an SME IPO. The company name is Gretex Corporate Services Limited, a Bombay-based merchant banker company. They are raising 5.13 crores of rupees by selling 3,01,600 fresh shares. The issue opens on 27th and closing on 30th July. As I always say, many small and medium-sized companies are on the queue to come out with IPOs. Small investors as well as institutions are showing great interest in SME IPOs. Before entering into the details, let me say after watching this video, you just like the video and put your comments on the comment box. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe it and press the bell button. Okay, let us enter into the video. This Bombay-based company was incorporated in the year 2008. They are SEBI-approved merchant bankers providing financial and consulting services in the country. To the company, Gretex is the abbreviation for the word greatest, which inspires them to become the leader in their field. Their address and email ID are given here. Now let's see the products and services of this merchant banker. As a merchant banker, they are helping helping other companies in IPOs, delisting, right issue, open offer, exit offer, etc. And in corporate finance sector, private equity, valuation, venture capital, debt securities issue, and bank financing are their activities. And in corporate restructuring, they are helping takeovers, mergers and acquisition, demergers, etc. And a compliance advisory department, they are doing statutory compliance and secretarial support services. As I said earlier, this is an SME IPO, not a main board IPO. They are raising only 5.13 crores from the market. The price is fixed. Rupees 170 is the price fixed for a single share, and the market lot is 800. 800 into 170 means 1,36,000 you have to spend at the time of application. And this share is going to list in BSE SME. That means the special platform of Bombay Stock Exchange for the SME shares. Now let's see why they are raising this fund from the market. In what way they are going to spend this money? To make payment of security deposit for renting office space. They wish to rent as new office space. Then working capital requirements and general corporate purpose, including the issue expenses. Then let's see the competitive strength of this company. A diversified range of financial and consultancy services offering. They are having so many activities in that merchant banking field. That is their strength, and a rich managerial experience. Then standard quality of service and long-term relationship with the customers. There are three major shareholders are there in this company. They are Mr. Arvind Harlalka, Alok Harlalka, and Mrs. Bonanza Agency. They are a corporate promoter. Actually, a pre-issue shareholding of these promoters are 100%. They are holding 100% shares before the IPO, and after the post-issue, their holding will be 73.48%. That means 26.52% shares they are issuing. See the financials of this company. This is in lakhs. From 2019 to 2021 March. Total assets, total revenue, and profit after tax. See from compare it with the previous year. Here it was 838.21, and here it is 1011.22, and total revenue Last year 145.31 lakhs, and here it is 324.63 lakhs. And profit after tax, when compared to last year, it is a little bit lower, 71.41. This is anyway, this is a promising financial statement. Now let's see the details of the Gretex Corporate Services IPO. Our issue opens on 27th July and the issue closes on 30th July. And then IPO size 5.13 crores. Face value of a share is at 10 rupees. Price band is the price is fixed at rupees 170 per share, and this is a listing on BSE SME platform. Then retail portion, for retailers they are giving 50% to institutions and 50% to the retail investors. Then total equity 3 lakhs 1,600 shares. Friends, if you want to apply this share as a retailer, you have to apply only 800 shares. 800 number of shares at the rate of 170 means you have to spend 1,36,000 rupees at the time of application. Some of you are asking me how to apply SME shares. The procedure is same as applying the main board IPO. If you want to know more about this, please click on the I button given there on the top and watch my previous video. Registrar to the issue of Gretex is Big Share Services Private Limited, and lead manager is Aryaman Financial Services Limited. Friends, these are the details of Gretex Corporate Services IPO. Please support the video, like it, put comments. If you are not subscribed, please do it and press the bell button. And we will meet again soon with another video. Till then, goodbye.